In this guide, we'll walk you through essential pre-restart checks and multiple reliable methods to restart your Android phone without the power button, suitable for different scenarios and user skill levels. Part 1. What to do before restarting Android. Before attempting any method to restart your Android phone without using the power button, here are a few things you should consider. Backup your data. Coolmuster Android Backup Manager allows you to easily backup your contacts, messages, photos, app data, and more to your computer, ensuring your data stays safe. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Android Backup Manager on your computer. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB cable and select Backup from the main interface. Step 3. Choose the types of data you want to backup, for example, contacts, messages, photos. Step 4. Click Backup to begin the backup process. Once completed, your data will be safely stored on your computer, ready to be restored if needed. Ensure the screen is responsive. Most restart methods require interacting with the screen. If the screen is frozen to not just the power button, some methods like quick settings won't work. Note your phone's brand and model. Some methods like accessibility menu or scheduled power on or off have slightly different paths on different brands, for example Samsung vs. Xiaomi vs. Google Pixel. Knowing your model will help you follow the steps accurately. Part 2. How to restart Android phone without power button. We've curated methods for every scenario, from quick and easy fixes for responsive phones to technical solutions for frozen devices. Choose the one that fits your situation. Method 1. Plug into a charger. If your phone is off due to a low battery, connect it to a charger and wait for a few minutes to ensure it has enough charge. Once the battery level rises, test the power button again. If it still doesn't work, follow the other troubleshooting methods provided. Method 2. With scheduled power on or off. This is perfect if you need to restart regularly, for example, to fix daily glitches or if you don't need an immediate restart. Step 1. Go to Settings, Scheduled Power On and Off. The exact menu name might vary depending on your phone model. Step 2. Set a time for your phone to automatically restart. This will allow the device to restart at a set time, even without the power button. Method 3. Via Quick Settings panel. This method is fast and works if your screen is responsive. Step 1. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Step 2. Look for an option labeled Restart, Reboot, or something similar. Some Android phones allow you to access the reboot option through the quick settings. Step 3. Tap on Restart to initiate a restart without using the power button. Method 4. Using accessibility menu. If you have enabled the accessibility options on your Android device, you can use this feature to restart your phone. Step 1. Go to Settings, Accessibility. Step 2. Look for an option to turn on the accessibility menu. Step 3. Once enabled, the accessibility menu will provide you with a floating icon on your screen. Step 4. Tap the icon and navigate to the power options, where you can select Restart. Method 5. Through ADB tool. You can use the Android Debug Bridge ADB if you aren't able to reboot your phone without the power button. Before starting, make sure USB debugging is enabled on your device. Otherwise, this method won't work. Step 1. Download and install Android Studio or the standalone SDK platform tools from the official Android developer website. Step 2. After installation, go to the folder where ADB is installed. Open the command prompt cmd or terminal inside that directory. Step 3. Connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB cable. Once connected, you can enter commands to restart the device, even if the power button isn't working. Step 4. Type the command, add B devices. This will display your device name and ID. If your device does not appear, it means USB debugging is not enabled, or the drivers are not properly installed. Step 5. Once your device is recognized, type add B reboot. This command will restart your phone. You may also use add BS device reboot if you need to specify the device.